Welcome, future Martians, to the adventure of a lifetime. It's 2050, and humanity has finally set foot on the red planet. Are you ready to leave Earth behind and become a Martian pioneer? Picture this. You're standing on rusty red soil, gazing at a salmon-colored sky. Two tiny moons dance overhead, while Earth is just a pale blue dot in the distance. Congratulations! You've just become one of the first human settlers on Mars. But before you start building your Martian dream home, let's talk about what you're in for. First things first, forget everything you know about Earth weather. On Mars, you'll experience dust storms that can last for months. And when I say dust storms, I mean planet-wide, block-out-the-sun kind of storms. It's like a never-ending bad hair day, but for an entire planet. But don't worry, our state-of-the-art habitats will keep you safe and dust-free. Just remember to wipe your feet before coming inside. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the lack of elephants. Mars doesn't have much of an atmosphere, so you can't just step outside for a breath of fresh air. In fact, if you did, your blood would literally boil. Talk about a bad day, right? But fear not. Your stylish Mars suit will keep you alive and looking fabulous. It's like a spacesuit, but with more flair. Think of it as your personal mobile home. Speaking of homes, let's chat about your new Martian crib. Forget McMansions and picket fences. On Mars, we're all about the dome life. Your new home will be a pressurized dome, complete with artificial gravity and recycled air. It's like living in a giant snow globe, minus the snow and plus a lot of red dust. But don't worry, we've got excellent cleaning robots. They're like Roombas on steroids. Now I know what you're thinking. What about food? Well, say goodbye to fast food and hello to fast-growing algae. Our scientists have perfected the art of growing nutritious and somewhat tasty food in Martian greenhouses. Potato farming isn't just for Matt Damon anymore. You too can be a Martian botanist. And if you're feeling homesick, we've got a special treat, Martian pizza. It's like regular pizza, but with a crust made from crushed Martian rocks. Yum? Let's talk about your new daily routine. Forget 9 to 5, we're on Mars time now. A Martian day, or sol, is about 40 minutes longer than an Earth day. That's 40 extra minutes to science the heck out of this planet. Your job? Well, that depends on your skills. Are you good at fixing things? Great! Because everything breaks down faster in the harsh Martian environment. You'll be our go-to person for keeping the life support systems running smoothly. Are you a geologist? Congratulations, you've just hit the jackpot. Mars is a geologist's paradise with rocks older than anything found on Earth. You'll be the first to unravel the mysteries of Martian geology. How exciting! Maybe you're a biologist? Well, you're in for the discovery of a lifetime. Your mission? Find evidence of past or present life on Mars. No pressure, you're just potentially rewriting the history of the universe. No big deal. For the fitness enthusiasts, I've got great news. You'll be in the best shape of your life. With Mars's gravity, only 38% of Earth's, you'll be bouncing around like a superhero. Just be careful not to jump too high. We don't want any accidental orbit insertions. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather, the lack of elephants, trees, or oceans. Mars is a bit, well, barren, but that's where you come in. You're not just settlers, you're terraformers. The future of Mars is in your hands. Imagine turning this red desert into a second Earth. It's the ultimate fixer-upper project, but it's not all work and no play on the red planet. We've got some unique Martian sports for you to try. Ever played low-gravity basketball? It's like regular basketball, but with more airtime and less sweating. Or how about Martian golf? With lower gravity, you can really drive that ball. Just watch out for those pesky Martian sand traps. They're killer. For the adrenaline junkies, we've got Olympus Mons, the tallest mountain in the solar system. Imagine skiing down a slope 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Now that's extreme sports. And for the romantics, nothing beats a Martian sunset. Picture this: 2 moons in the sky, Earth shining like a bright star, and the sun setting in a haze of pink and orange. It's the perfect backdrop for your Martian wedding. Yes, we do those too. Now I know what you're thinking. What about the kids? Well, congratulations. Your children will be the first Martians born off Earth. They'll grow up in a world where space travel is the norm, and Earth is just a distant blue marble. They'll learn about Martian geography instead of Earth's, and their pets might be robotic rovers. But don't worry, we'll make sure they know about Earth too. We've got excellent virtual reality simulations. They can experience Earth's oceans, forests, and wildlife without ever leaving Mars. It's like the ultimate field trip minus the permission slips and packed lunches. Now let's talk about communication. Missing your Earth friends and family? No worries. We've got super fast quantum entanglement communication systems. It's like FaceTime, but with a 20-minute delay. Perfect for those awkward family calls. And for all you social media addicts, we've got Marsbook and InstaRed. Share your Martian selfies with your Earth followers. Mars sunset, red planet life, dust storm season. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. You're not just living on Mars, you're shaping its future. Your actions today will determine what Mars looks like centuries from now. Will it remain a harsh, unforgiving world? Or will it become a second home for humanity? The choice is yours, brave Martian pioneers. So are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Are you prepared to face the challenges, the dangers, and the excitement of Mars? Are you willing to leave behind the comforts of Earth for the promise of a new world? If your answer is yes, then welcome aboard. Mars 2050 awaits you. Your Red Planet adventure starts now. Remember, in space, no one can hear you scream with excitement. So pack your bags, say goodbye to Earth, and get ready for the journey of a lifetime. Mars 2050, your Red Planet adventure awaits. Where the dust is red, the sky is pink, and the opportunities are out of this world.